A lot of the local school districts have come together to send a bunch of letters to our healthcare workers to give them support and to wish them happy holidays.
All right. Well, thank you. Have a good weekend.
How about a high five?
All right.
Thank you.
So I wrote just a little poem that sort of tells just our story, where we're at right now in our healthcare system. And I just thought it would be some good cheer to send along with all the messages the children have written for our healthcare workers. It's called Notes of Cheer. This year has been different. The volumes are high. Our staffing's a challenge. Sometimes frustrations do fly. Visitations restricted and families are sad. They don't understand our dilemma. COVID transmission is bad.
ED wait times are long, admissions overflow. There's COVID all around us and recovery is slow. Our paramedics are driving more sick every day and depositing them off in our jammed ambulance bays.
The clinics are bustling, COVID vaccination are fame, hoping for community protection to support healthier games.
It's true we're exhausted with no end in sight. It's hard to keep going, but we continue to fight.
So to help heal our hearts and deliver some cheer, we bring you these letters to end this COVID year.
From the voice of a child, a much needed lift of support full of joy, a special holiday gift. These notes give us proof of people, good and kind. We are held up by our community, giving us hope to find.